Let me pass this question from the sisters and we'll go back to you, inshallah. This is a fiqhi question. A sister saying, does a woman traveling alone or with sisters consider disobedient?
Alhamdulillah. To be consistent, we have the Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet ﷺ, and following the people of knowledge. This is something never thought that is going to be disputable. The Prophet ﷺ, he said in the authentic hadith, لا تسافر امرأة تؤمن بالله واليوم الآخر مسيرة يوم وليلة إلا مع ذي محرم. A believing woman that believes in Allah and the last day, she should never travel the distance of a day and night without a mahram. And the Prophet ﷺ did not make any exceptions to this. And therefore, this is the ruling of it. It's not permissible for a woman to travel without a mahram. The exceptions that some of the ulama, they said, which is a valid opinion, they mentioned that with regards to al-hajj, which is a fard, an obligation upon women. And they made a condition if it's the suhba amina, if the companionship is safe. And that's not the most authentic opinion. But if someone says it, we don't have to necessarily call them deviants, for example. It's a valid differences of opinion. But of course, the majority of the ulama, they are still in the first opinion. And the exception, if a woman is fleeing for her life, that's a different situation. Someone wants to, run from harm, that's a different situation. But just to be at ease with this, the Prophet ﷺ said, and we say we listen and we obey when it comes to the illah, the wisdom behind it, and they say maybe in the past things were dangerous, this and that. Allah knows best of the illah, or the wisdom, or the reason behind it. It's not about just being robbed on the way. Allah knows best, and there are many things can happen, and we don't want to get into the things that even can happen with regards to that. So this is, Wallahu A'lam, is what is correct, and it's not permissible for a woman believes in Allah and the last day to travel without a mahram. Wallahu A'lam.
Jazakallah khairan, Shaykh.